What if you could write emails in half the time, craft winning proposals without second guessing, and create scripts that actually convert all without starting from scratch? Today, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT as your personal writing assistant for emails, business proposals, and video scripts. We're not talking generic copy, we're talking customized, high-converting, professional writing with less stress. Let's get into it. Writing smarter with ChatGPT. Upbeat music segment 1. Why use ChatGPT for writing? ChatGPT isn't just an AI that chats, it's a full-on writing powerhouse. It understands tone, structure, audience, and formatting. You don't need to be a writer to produce amazing content anymore, you just need to know how to ask the right questions. In this video, I'll show you proven prompt templates for writing smarter in 3 key areas: emails, proposals, and scripts. Segment 2. Writing emails that actually get real-time demo of writing an outreach email. Let's start with emails. Here's a simple prompt to generate a clear, compelling message. Prompt: write a professional follow-up email to a client who hasn't responded in 7 days. Keep it friendly, concise, and add a subtle CTA. Use case examples. Cold outreach client follow-up team updates newsletters. Ask ChatGPT to match your brand voice. Use. Make it warmer, or make it punchier. Always ask for a subject line too. Bonus prompt. Create 3 subject line variations with emojis. Segment 3. Writing proposals that win you clients. Real-time demo. Proposal for a social media marketing service. Now let's write business proposals. These often overwhelm people, but with ChatGPT, it's plug and play. Prompt example. Write a 1-page service proposal for a small business offering social media management. Include services, timeline, and value proposition. Tone: confident and persuasive. Add-ons you can request. Add a pricing table. Summarize in bullet points. Turn this into a PDF-friendly format. Have ChatGPT break it into sections like 1. Introduction. 2. Services. 3. Timeline. 4. Pricing. 5. Call to action. This makes it super client-friendly. Segment 4. Writing scripts for videos, pitches, and presentations. ChatGPT writing a YouTube script for a product demo. Last up, scripts. Whether you're doing YouTube, Reels, or a client pitch, ChatGPT helps you structure your message. Here's a sample prompt. Write a 3-minute YouTube script introducing a new AI-powered fitness app. Make it engaging, informative, and persuasive. Want different styles? Ask for. Add humor. Use storytelling. Make it punchy for social media. Use case ideas. Video sales letters, course video, investor pitches, LinkedIn video intros. Pro tip. Follow this format. 1. Hook. 2. Intro. 3. Value. 4. Call to action. 5. Wrap up. ChatGPT can generate a full draft, then help you refine tone or add voiceover cues. Segment 5. Smarter writing workflow. The system you'll use daily. Now that you've seen the power of ChatGPT, here's how to make it a daily writing system. 1. Start with a goal. What are you writing and for whom? 2. Use a solid prompt structure. 3. Ask for 2 to 3 versions. 4. Refine tone and length. 5. Copy, paste, tweak, send. Optional tools to pair with ChatGPT. Grammarly, for polish, Notion or Google Docs, for workflow, Loom, for video delivery, Mailerlite, Substack, for email delivery. With this system, you'll save hours and communicate 10x better. Whether it's an email, proposal, or pitch, you've now got the tools to write faster and sound more professional than ever. Try one of these prompts today and let me know how it goes in the comments. And if you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe. This wraps up our ChatGPT Mastery series, but if you want more deep dives, drop a topic below. Keep scaling smart.